ETC, we start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, I was keep highlighting it, but then one more drop to see the breakout of the previous low. That's why I mentioned we can expect the price drop to 31 following by 26. And as we can see, the price broke the 31 and the lowest price, which was the the price could take the previous low is somewhere around 27, but it couldn't drop to 26. All right. And beside that, we mentioned after the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, we can expect the price drop to any of this level, and we want to see the reversal without the breakout of this zone. All right, this is what we explained. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and if we move to daily chart, first things, again, we have been looking for reversal. We have been looking for buy since the price was within this correction. And the first things we want to see the price tag the lowest price of this correction. Almost the price is there and we can look for the divergence. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy the reversal, we will take it. And even based on daily chart, as we can see, the price almost tag the lowest price of the bigger correction. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And as a long term, we can look for 65 following by 77 as a target. And based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, lower time frame, and even based on forward chart, we can look for divergence and as well here. That's why any opportunity for buy from now, we'll take it. Right? How we can look at this one? First, we can consider this one as a channel. That means we can expect the price can be within this one, and we see the extension for longer time before we see the reversal. And even internally, we can look at this one as a 1, 2, 3 in relative to this for the next drop. How complex can be this one? We don't need to go into the details, but any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And we want to see the breakout of this correction to confirm as a reversal. All right. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And even if you want to look for buy, the best things is if you put this one in relative to any of this for then one more drop before we look for trade. That means if you want to look for buy, the best thing is if we buy at the lowest price of this correction rather than buying here. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy from here. Mostly we can look for the best things is technically we look for the sell at the top of this correction. And any sell is a short term. All right. By the way, even if anyone wants to look for buy from here, the only option is to put their entry above this. And in that case, we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue. And with the breakout of the previous stop, we move our stop loss to break even. But we should know that if anyone wants to look for buy from here, is very risky since the only option is to put our entry above the top. And in that case, if the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we should take out the trade. Okay. The reason is very risky, as I mentioned, simply the price can tag and drop. That's why if we get one more drop, then from there we look for the reversal. It can give us better and safer trade, but it depends on the skill and the strategy the traders they use. If they get the opportunity for buy from here, also they can take it. And we have to see the breakout of the previous stop, and mostly we have to see the breakout of this correction to confirm we are with an uptrend. Anyway, any trade for buy is long and the sell is a short term. We are more interested to look for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.